Hunger makes you think. At first it was just a small discomfort, the kind you ignore with pride. He told himself he was strong, independent, free. But hunger is patient. It doesn't shout. It sits quietly in your stomach and whispers memories into your mind. Nights became longer. Sleep became shallow. Regret began to sound like truth. He remembered home. Not the rules he once hated. Not the lectures he ran from. He remembered the smell of food before he even entered the house. He remembered laughter echoing through rooms he thought were too small for his dreams. He remembered hands that gave without asking who he had become. For the first time, he didn't remember home as a cage. He remembered it as safety. Pain awakened hope. Because when you hit the ground hard enough, you stop pretending you can fly alone. In the emptiness, a small thought was born. Maybe home was still there. Maybe love didn't expire. Maybe broken people were still allowed to return. And for the first time since he left, hunger didn't just hurt him. It pointed him back to life.